What run are we going on?
Schoolmarm, and then we're gonna go to Schoolmaster.
To where?
Schoolmaster.
And then to what lift?
St. John's.
That's right. You got it, girl. It's pretty busy today.
It's powdery snow, but it feels good.
And where are we at?
We're at the Summit House.
There you go. Now if you get lost, you know how to get back.
Yeah.
Just ask someone.
I'm not planning on getting lost.
I don't plan on letting you get.
The red button's.
Now it is.
Goodbye.
It snowed a little bit more. Doing good. Stop up here, Tara. I didn't see you.
Okay, slow down, slow down.
Those bumps are scary. I like climbing 50 feet up. Hello.
Hi, I'm Lean Means Keen, switching the machine, baby. Yeah.
Oh.
Get a picture of that over there. It looks like. Hey.
Coming?
That's fun.
This little viewfinder's not working very good in this sunlight.
Are you okay, Mitchell?
Yes. Use them like rollerblades. What was that? Let me use my own dark technique there. Excuse me, come here.
Oh, I wish I would have got that. I got that one, Mitch.
Did you see that? It's like. Woo!
Woo!
We're gonna take a breather. I don't think it's on, Mom. The red light's not on.
I turned it.
Yeah, it is. It says record.
You know what? Your little machine but's getting ready to go over and do Mozart.
Okay. What is Mozart?
It's like this one. This snow is unbelievable. I've never skied
It's on.
so nice in my life.
It is?
Yes.
You go ahead and start down.
Says record.
Can I?
Stay away from the edges, yeah. Did you say stay on Schoolmarm, Tammy?
Schoolmarm to schoolmaster.
School something else.
Schoolmaster.
All right.
Lots of powder. It's hard to do without poles.
Oh, we left Sissy, didn't we?
I told her to wait.
She is doing so good. Mitch, you are too. That class helped you yesterday, didn't it?
Yes. I can do jumps now to get back on my feet.
She's doing great.
Come on, Sissy. Look at her turn.
Dang it, I have it zoomed in.
She's just about parallel.
You're doing great. That was scary.
Come here. I gotta have a hug. That is great, sweetie. I'm so proud of you.
Stupid me, thought I was zooming out. I was zooming in, so I missed some of her.
Just
Take it easy. Go sideways.
you go down to Cindy and stuff. We'll
We are lucky.
Where'd Mitch go?
It's awful dark in this viewfinder.
Wait, Carl, go. He's right. He's ahead of us.
No,
Schoolmaster. Terry's in the gray, Cindy's in the black, Tara's in the blue and red, Mitchell's down there in the green and brown. And I'm gonna kill myself. That'd be funny if I had this on record when I wiped out, wouldn't it? It's hard to hold 2 poles with one hand. In this powder. There's Mitch.
take a break. Good run.
Dad. Sissy. And look at that view. It's foggy.
Can you have trouble seeing out of your goggles? What? You have trouble seeing out of your goggles?
No. I think it was when I think it's like.
I tried to hurry so fast, I didn't have the viewfinder open all the way, but I got Tara right as she got to where that guy is. There comes Terry. And Mitchie flying by. Where's she at? Where's she at? Here she comes. I'm either running out of tape or battery, I don't know which.
Well, you're getting us to good stuff.
Those ones were fun.
Good job, Tara.
Woo! Hold on. I couldn't turn for a second.